Hello students, today we are going to learn about linear polynomial. A linear polynomial is an algebraic expression that includes the variables with an exponent of 1 and no other powers. Okay, the exponent will always be 1. It usually involves more than one term. I'll explain what is term. In mathematics, we have a name for the algebraic expression as per the terms. So let me explain. After that you will know what is polynomial after explanation. Okay, so if we have one term, like if you see x, so it is one term, or if you have 2x, it is just one term, or if you have 3n, it is also one term. So when you have one term, it is called monomial. Mono means one. Okay? So one term means monomial. Now second one, if you have two terms like x plus 2, you have two terms. So when you have two terms, it is called binomial. Bi means two. The combination of two monomial is binomial. Another example, it can also be 3n plus n. Okay? We have two terms. So when there are two terms in the expression, it is binomial. Now when you have three terms, like if you have 2x plus 3, so you see there are three terms. So when you have three terms, it is called trinomial. Tri means three. So three terms. Now if you have more than three, okay, more than three terms in the expression, then it is called polynomial. Okay, so these are the terms used as per the terms in the expression. Okay, we have monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Let's begin with models to represent algebra tiles. In the expression, to represent the positive term, we use the positive tile, that is plain tile or plain rectangle, white one. And for the negative x tile, we use darker rectangle. And for the constant number, the positive 1 tile, to represent the positive one, we just have one square, plain square. And for the negative, we will have darker small square. Now we know how to use model for the algebraic expression with the tiles. So we are going to use this knowledge here. Represent algebraic expression with tiles. So you need to draw, or we need to model 2x plus 3 with the tile. We know the positive tiles, we just draw plain rectangle for that. So this represents 2x, and next we have 3, positive 3. So we simply draw white 3 squares. It's just like base 10 block for the ones. Okay, now for the second one, again we have positive, isn't it, 3x. So we simply draw 3 positive tiles rectangle. So this is for 3x. Now next we have negative 2x, right? here for negative 2x we have darker square, so this represents negative 2. Let me use negative 1. Okay, another, if we have positive 3 minus 2x, so in this case you have negative 2x, so in term we have negative, so we will have darker, isn't it, darker tile, so negative 2, so this will represent our negative 2x. So constant we have 3, that is positive, so simply 3 square, so this represents constant 3. This is how we use models to express algebraic expression. Now we are going to solve another type of question, that is adding and subtracting the algebraic expression using the tiles. So we are going to use tiles to solve this problem. We have 4 minus 3x plus 2x minus 3. This is just like having 3x plus 4 plus 2x minus 3. What we will do, first we will draw tiles for the first expression, that is negative 3x. So negative 3x, we can have 3 negative tiles, okay, 3 negative tiles, and positive, constant positive, isn't it, 4, that is 1 2 3 4. Then for the second one, positive 2x, isn't it, 2x, it is plain 2, and negative 3, negative, we have darker 3, 1 2 3. Now here you need to have the idea of negative 1 positive 1. So if we have negative 1 positive 1, we just simplify, then it gets cancelled. Or if you have positive 5 and negative 5, it just get cancelled, isn't it? Now using this idea, negative 1 and positive 1, negative 1 and positive 1, we can just cancel it, isn't it? And here we can cancel it, cancel it, cancel it. What is left, we just have negative 2 negative x, isn't it? We just have 1, so it is just x, we don't write 1x. I have explained this before. So if you have just 1, it is negative x and constant 1. So this is our answer. This is equal to negative x plus 1. This is your answer. Okay. Now we are going to solve the second one. 5x, it is positive, so 1 2 3 4. Let me write it again. I need to adjust the space. So 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 5 tiles, positive tiles, and here you can see, you know how to express this, negative x plus 2. It means we just multiply, right? negative positive is negative x, negative positive is negative, isn't it? This is how we get this basic thing. We have already seen, so you won't have any problem. So we have negative x means 1 negative tile, and then again negative negative 2, and for this we have negative 4. Okay, now what we will do, we will try to simplify. Okay, so negative positive get cancel. What is left? 1 1 2 3 4. So they have 4 positive tiles, and here we don't have anything to cancel here, so just find what is there. We have negative 6. It's a negative 6, so our answer will be 4x minus 6. Now another type of question without using the tiles. Okay, we will try to add and subtract the algebraic expression without using the tiles. We have 4x plus 3. Now negative should be multiplied with the second expression, so positive negative is negative 2x, and negative positive is negative, so 1. Now like term, okay, like term will solve first. So we have 4x minus 2x, so 4x minus 2x is 2x, so we have 2x. Then next we have 3 minus 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2. It is positive, right? So positive 2. So this is your answer. Now for second one, we have 6x minus 8, positive 9x, and the positive is positive 5. Like term will solve first. We have 6x plus 9x, so we just add these two, we get 15x. So 15x. Then for second term, okay, negative 8 positive 5, so negative, we'll get negative 3, isn't it? Hope you know how to add integers. So negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. So this is your answer. So this is how we solve without tiles.